After years of waiting, Suzuki is finally bringing back a legend, the TS 700 Apache, a motorcycle that captures the raw spirit of the past, blended with modern performance and technology. Inspired by the TS series from the 1970s, this machine is built for both the streets and the trails, combining classic styling with cutting-edge engineering. If the latest reports are true, we could see this beauty hit the roads in 2025. The Suzuki TS series was an icon of its time, a motorcycle that defined adventure riding for an entire generation. Now, the TS 700 Apache revives that legacy with a vintage look and a more refined, capable ride. Its round LED headlamp keeps the scrambler aesthetic while providing better night visibility. The sculpted fuel tank, with classic graphics, is shaped for comfort and control. The long, flat seat stays true to its dual-sport heritage, designed for both city cruising and off-road exploration. But this machine isn't just about looks, it's built to perform. High front suspension and a rear monoshock ensure smooth handling across all terrains. The high-mounted exhaust, inspired by classic scramblers, enhances ground clearance while delivering a deep, throaty sound. At its core, a 700 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine promises strong torque and smooth acceleration on highways and trails. With spoked wheels wrapped in dual-sport tires, it grips any surface, while disc brakes provide superior stopping power. Adding to its appeal, Suzuki is set to release the TS 700 Apache in 3 striking colors. First, TS 700 Apache Orange, a bold tribute to the past for riders who want to stand out. Second, TS 700 Apache Silver, sleek and timeless, embodying classic elegance. Third, TS 700 Apache Blue, a symbol of freedom and adventure, perfect for explorers. So, is this the rebirth of an icon, or just another rumor?